Attention all men. Want to know the secrets to attracting women? We've got you covered. In this video, we're going to share the 10 things that women instantly notice about men. You might think that women only notice the looks, but there's more to it. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Body language. Body language is one of the first things women notice about men. It's the nonverbal communication that can tell a lot about a person. Women notice the way men walk, stand, and move. A confident posture can make a man more attractive, while slouching or fidgeting can give off negative vibes. A relaxed and open body language can convey a sense of comfort and trust. Number 2. Smell. Smell is another factor that women instantly notice about men. A good smell can make a lasting impression. Women notice the fragrance men wear, or even their natural scent. So it's important to wear a pleasant and subtle scent. Too much fragrance can be overwhelming and even repelling. Cleanliness is almost a must to avoid bad odors. Number 3. Clothing style. Clothing style speaks volumes about a man's personality. Women notice the way men dress and present themselves. It's important to choose clothes that fit well, are appropriate for the occasion, and express your personal style. A well-dressed man can make a positive impression and even boost his confidence. Number 4. Confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a man can have. Women notice the way men carry themselves and how confident they are. A confident man exudes positivity, assertiveness, and self-assurance. On the other hand, an insecure man can be a turnoff. Confidence is not about being arrogant or aggressive, but about being comfortable in your own skin. Number 5. Facial hair. Facial hair can enhance or detract from a man's appearance. Women notice the way men groom themselves, especially their facial hair. It's important to maintain a tidy and well-groomed look. Different styles suit different face shapes and personal preferences. Some women prefer clean-shaven men, while others find beards or mustaches attractive. It's all about finding the right balance. Number 6. Eye contact. Eye contact is crucial in communication, especially when it comes to attraction. Women notice the way men make eye contact as it shows their interest and sincerity. Maintaining good eye contact can convey confidence, attentiveness, and respect. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact can signal shyness, discomfort, or dishonesty. Number 7. Height. Height is not everything, but it can make a difference in the dating world. Women notice the way men stand tall and confident, especially if they are taller than average. Height can be a factor in physical attraction, but it's not the only one. Shorter men can still be attractive if they have other qualities such as humor, intelligence, or kindness. Number 8. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor is a major turn-on for women. Women notice the way men make them laugh and feel comfortable. Humor can break the ice, lighten the mood, and create a connection. It's important to have a positive and playful attitude and not take oneself too seriously. A witty remark or a funny story can go a long way in impressing a woman. Number 9. Manners. Manners are the foundation of social interactions. Women notice the way men behave and treat others, especially in social settings. It's important to be courteous, respectful, and well-mannered. Basic etiquette such as holding doors, saying please and thank you, and being polite to waitstaff can show a woman that you are a gentleman. Being rude or impolite can be a major turnoff. Number 10. Attitude. Attitude is everything when it comes to attraction. Women notice the way men approach them and their overall attitude. It's important to be positive and friendly. So, those are the 10 things women instantly notice about men. Keep in mind that it's not just about the looks, but also about the way you present yourself. So work on your confidence, grooming, and manners, and you'll attract the right kind of attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.